Hello guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial on Python. If you ever tried to read a Excel file, especially CSV file in pandas and encountered a weird characters like this or this usually happens because the file's encoding doesn't match with your script which is expecting. There is a simple fix for this one. By changing the encode type to Unicode underscore escape, you can easily read CSV files and you don't get this kind of error. So let's jump into the code and see how it works and how we can make use of Unicode underscore escape in our code. As you can see here, I have simple script which reads the CSV file and we are going to print that one by using the df.head. This works great, but as I said earlier, sometimes this may throw some errors. To resolve this one, all you need to do is add another parameter within this read underscore CSV function. That is nothing but add encoding is equals to codes mentioned as Unicode underscore escape. That's it, all you need to do to resolve this issue. So if you run the script, once by adding this encoding parameter, it works great without any such issues or errors. So that's it guys for this short video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.